1 Maret 2008, dunia tinju menyaksikan bab ketiga dari rivalitas paling brutal di kelas super bantamweight. Israel Vazquez, sang juara WBC dengan gaya agresif dan hook kiri mematikan menghadapi Rafael Marquez. Tinju teknis dengan kombinasi cepat dan pukulan kanan keras. Memasuki ronde pertama, keduanya langsung masuk jarak tempur. Marquez mencoba mengontrol dengan jab dan strength kanan. Vazquez menekan memaksa duel jarak dekat. Pertukaran keras terjadi sejak menit pertama. Memasuki ronde kedua, tempo tetap tinggi. Marquez terlihat lebih rapi mendaratkan kombinasi 1-2 yang bersih. Vazquez membalas dengan hook kiri dan pukulan ke tubuh. Adu strategi mulai terlihat. Marquez teknis, Vazquez agresif.
Marquez is looking to set up the big right with that left. You know, Rafael Marquez playing the for Marquez. With that punch, he just hasn't been able to do it. He be very careful on Vasquez and a good uppercut. And because the two guys know each other so well, they know what's coming. Jabs. This is swing. And a big right hand at the bell button. Rafael Marquez is ahead by 2. Yet another good left hook and an uppercut.
Just got to keep going in this fight. Straight through the mouth.
Memasuki ronde ketiga, ronde semakin keras. Vazquez mulai menekan ke tali ring. Marquez membalas dengan counter kanan yang akurat. Pertarungan sangat seimbang.
How dangerous Vasquez is. It hooks off the jab. Combination there with Ed. Which demonstrates how special this is. It's not as if Vasquez isn't throwing it. He is accuracy. You know why he's winning these rounds. Back in Hidalgo in August.
Memasuki ronde keempat, Marquez mendaratkan pukulan kanan keras yang menjatuhkan Vazquez. Tapi ia bangkit sebelum hitungan selesai. Setelah bangun, Vazquez justru membalas dengan kombinasi keras. Ronde penuh drama.
Vasquez in the red, 42 and 4, 32. He should really be working a little more there if he can. Not a lot of steam behind it. But Vasquez not looking as ferocious. Now Vasquez to this point, although he's landing some... That was the punch that did most of the damage. Then here we'll get Israel Vasquez right hand. Down goes Vasquez! Seeing, and he paid for it. He went after Vasquez. Oh, Vasquez! And then wobbled more. Back comes more Vasquez. Every storyline now comes into play. He buckled. He looks to come back the warrior.
Did you understand? Did you understand me? There's nothing. It was nothing. It was nothing. You're okay.
I was wrong, but it's Vasquez. Fans, I never had a hip collision.
Memasuki ronde kelima, Vasquez meningkatkan tekanan. Ia memaksa pertarungan jarak dekat dan mulai mengincar tubuh Marquez. Tempo tetap brutal.
He won almost all that round and Arias from the Orange County Register. Kevin, he's got to keep that distance. That's where Vasquez wants him. And Marquez has been so much more active. Forced the knockdown to Marquez after 4, but close. It's gotten inside a little bit, and I think in some ways the crowd reacting to that area by Marquez. He's throwing to the left eye for Vasquez. It's really found a home for him. From the opening bell. There it is again. Fires down. I think he thought back and forth with the crowd. Very evenly divided. Right eye punch. There's the jab again by Marker. Terrific round.
Israel Vasquez had the jab helps him get in the inside.
Boxing some more. Boxing some more, and when you
Leaving Vasquez in. That's sort of what...
Memasuki ronde ke-6, pertukaran tanpa henti. Marquez mencoba mengontrol jarak, tapi Vasquez terus menekan. Kedua wajah mulai menunjukkan bekas berang.
Marquez with the jab. Not a lot behind it.
What Israel Vasquez is doing.
Because he knew that Vasquez was extremely strong uphill in the mountains of Mexico. The build-up is not going anywhere.
Vasquez is walking into that jab. It's been a weapon in this fight, as it was in that second fight.
Too far up.
Marquez is having a fair good look.
Sending.
Now, this distance,
The punches seem to be getting close.
so here's where Marquez was doing enough to win this round after Marquez was so successful.
Deep focus, much more than earlier.
All right, one more, and Marquez won by Marquez.
And he is back to the...
right, the jab and the right and inside.
Again, Rafael Marquez landing a left hook. Derby Perez complaining to Rafael.
Memasuki ronde ke-7, salah satu ronde paling keras, adu hok kiri dan kanan di tengah ring. Tidak ada yang mundur, keduanya saling membalas pukulan besar.
You actually start to ask yourself when you're watching these Israel Vasquez.
So they've got a split decision.
I have it for
They're blocked by Marquez. Marquez continues to
the inside. He's jabbing his way in, and he is
side of the head by Marquez. Vasquez missing with the right. Nice jab by Marquez, meanwhile. Marquez in the black.
the difference in this round is so they did good round for Israel Vasquez. He's doing everything.
Phenomenal shape. Marquez on the left hook. On the jaw. Another jab by Vasquez. Marquez now going downstairs. Series of punches. A beautiful foot by Marquez. Having jab by left uppercut on the inside by Marquez. Tremendous finish by Marquez.
He's got the job done. Now there's Marquez. You see Marquez doing more good work. The other round, he did all this good work. Did he do it?
And now this is significant because this is...
Memasuki ronde ke-8, pertarungan semakin teknis namun tetap agresif. Marquez terlihat sedikit lebih bersih dalam kombinasi. Vasquez tetap konsisten menyerang tubuh.
These are rough rounds. Watch the heads. They come perilously close. They trade.
Great body work by Vasquez, but some of it late. You know, I think Vasquez has won the last 2 rounds.
That's so exhilarating.
This fight has produced for sure. It's time more than the hope.
Meanwhile, it's Marquez coming up. East of the canvas for the first time in this trilogy.
And it was
Estimation.
and they're getting a lot done.
Yes. Just when you think one has the momentum, the side of Marquez's face. Vasquez. Backing Marquez. Another big right hand by Vasquez. That's Vasquez.
Rafael Marquez landing on the inside, very with Vasquez's right hand. At the super bantamweight, he can't punch with as much power.
This case is toweled off. He comes marching out.
Memasuki ronde ke-9, Vasquez mulai mengambil momentum. Tekanannya membuat Marquez lebih sering mundur. Body shot Vasquez mulai berdampak.
In the last 3 or 4 rounds, well, he made a couple points.
The unofficial
So it might slow down in this fight.
take freight train punches. Unbelievable ebb and flow. To blame.
That's swell. He's got that punch in a lot in the last one of Marquez. For the first time, you can see it.
It's developing. It's in that fight. Came back to stop Gonzalez in the... Stunned momentarily, but it was a
third round. The round did early, Marquez, because he was worried about getting hit. Look there when he did that.
what a moment for Marquez.
Memasuki ronde ke-10, kedua petinju tampak kelelahan, tapi mental mereka luar biasa. Mereka tetap bertukar pukulan keras di tengah ring.
Mark Vasquez is just a little
To take one. To issue. We know that Marquez. Respect. Respect the crowd. Punches up.
see it all through this fight as they
Stick right hand upstairs by Vasquez. Marquez stays.
see some really very
Nice coming up.
you know, in this round for the people, for the judges, and you know, in terms of
Low blow by Marquez. Look out. He's hit. Wow. Marquez loses the
Pat Russell, that was about the fourth low blow.
round. There's the jab by Vasquez. Trying to take the punch, but again at the end of the round.
Don't be in front of him.
Swelling on the eye of Marquez. Now here's where and here is the end of the round where Marquez doing very well out of that left eye. They want to move to the right.
Memasuki ronde ke-11, ronde sangat ketat. Marquez mendaratkan kombinasi cepat. Vasquez membalas dengan tekanan konstan. Skor sangat tipis menjelang ronde terakhir.
Unofficial is going to the body. Yeah, they're saying throw the right hand in.
Man, the ebb and flow of this match is just fascinating.
Marquez 4 or Marquez Vasquez 4. And it looks like a sellout crowd of about 7.
Definitely, I think an issue for
Mark at the Home Depot Center last March.
the jab of Marquez.
The inside, a right cross to the jaw by
Vasquez for the most part.
nice right hand.
When he's inside and land it whenever he throws it.
Marquez didn't follow it up though. Wave of punishment.
And Vasquez did some great work.
Vasquez again.
Head down. You got to keep jabbing.
Memasuki ronde ke-12, detik-detik terakhir jadi penentu. Di penghujung ronde, Vasquez menjatuhkan Marquez dengan pukulan keras. Knockdown ini sangat penting dan bisa mengubah hasil akhir. Marquez bangkit tapi waktu hampir habis.
This 12 rounds is necessary, and they're fighting like it. And Marquez holding on a little bit.
Body shots by Vasquez. A right hand. Stalking Marquez. Big round for Vaz to go. It's all Vasquez. Dominant. Vasquez continues to do the job.
It didn't even stop Vasquez in his tracks. And remember, this decision could still go to Marquez.
Holds on. Marquez out. Less than 30 seconds again. 20 seconds to go.
Made it so. The very right hands by Vasquez.
Bloody into Vasquez. Marquez almost went down.
Pertarungan berakhir setelah 12 ronde penuh dengan tempo tinggi dan 2 kali knockdown. Satu oleh Rafael Marquez di ronde keempat dan satu oleh Israel Vasquez di detik-detik akhir ronde 12. Dengan hasil tersebut, Israel Vasquez dinyatakan menang split decision. Pertarungan ini kemudian secara resmi dinobatkan sebagai Fight of the Year 2008 dan hingga kini dianggap sebagai salah satu trilogi terbaik dalam sejarah tinju modern. Secara fakta, laga ini membuat skor pertemuan mereka menjadi 2-1 untuk Vasquez pada saat itu. Sebelum keduanya kembali bertemu di pertarungan keempat pada tahun 2010. Tulis pendapat kalian di kolom komentar tentang pertarungan ini dan jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan nyalakan loncengnya agar teman-teman tidak ketinggalan ulasan tinju lainnya.